Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting comfortably or lying down. Allow your hands to rest naturally. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and release. One more time. Breathing in calm. Breathing out tension. Feel your shoulders soften. Relax your jaw. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Let your forehead become smooth. Allow your breathing to settle into its own natural rhythm. There is nowhere you need to be. Nothing you need to accomplish. For these next 15 minutes, give yourself permission to simply rest. Now, imagine yourself walking along a quiet forest trail. Tall evergreen trees surround you. Sunlight filters gently through the branches above. The air is cool, fresh, and filled with the scent of pine and wildflowers. You hear birds singing softly in the distance. A gentle breeze brushes against your face. With every slow step, your body becomes lighter. Your breathing becomes calmer. Ahead, you begin to hear water. Not rushing, not crashing. Only the peaceful sound of a quiet lake gently touching the shoreline. Soon, the trees begin to open, revealing a breathtaking crystal lake. The water is perfectly clear, so still, it reflects the mountains, the trees, and the endless blue sky like a mirror. Take a slow breath and allow yourself to arrive. Walk slowly toward the water's edge. Notice the smooth stones beneath your feet. Feel the warmth of the morning sun on your skin. The lake seems completely alive. yet perfectly still. Tiny ripples spread gently across the surface. Each ripple slowly fades, until the water becomes calm once again. Bring your awareness to your own breath. Just like the lake, your mind can always return to stillness. Breathe in. Breathe. Breathe out. Anything you no longer need. Notice the gentle rhythm. Nothing forced. Nothing rushed. Only quiet breathing. Only this moment. Now imagine that every worry, every anxious thought, every tension you've been carrying becomes a small pebble in your hand. One by one. Gently place each pebble into the lake. Watch as it sinks slowly beneath the crystal clear water. Small circles appear across the surface. Then, they slowly disappear. Your worries dissolve. Just like the ripples. Without resistance. Without effort. Each breath makes you feel lighter. More open. More peaceful. Feel the calm of the lake becoming your own. Now sit comfortably beside the shoreline. The sun rises a little higher. Golden light dances across the surface of the lake. Dragonflies glide effortlessly above the water. A family of ducks moves quietly across the distance. The forest breathes with you. The trees sway gently. The breeze carries only peace. Take a slow breath in. And imagine drawing the crystal clear light of the lake into your heart. With every inhale, your body fills with calm. With every exhale, your body releases heaviness. Imagine this beautiful light spreading through your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your stomach, your legs, all the way to your feet. You feel completely refreshed, balanced, safe, present. Now look into the perfectly still surface of the lake. Instead of your reflection, you see the most peaceful version of yourself. A version free from stress, free from worry, confident, calm, patient, loving. Notice how naturally peaceful this version of you feels. There is nothing to become, nothing to fix. Everything you seek already exists within you. The lake simply reflects it back to you. Take a deep breath. Smile gently. Allow yourself to believe this truth. It's almost time to return. Take one slow, deep breath in, and gently let it go. Begin bringing your awareness back to your body. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. Perhaps stretch your shoulders. Take one final deep breath, filling yourself with the peace of crystal lake. As you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry the stillness of the lake with you throughout your day. Whenever life becomes busy, remember this peaceful place. Remember your breath. Remember that true peace is never outside of you. Like the calm waters of Crystal Lake, it has always been within you. Thank you for meditating with me. May your day be filled with clarity, balance, and peace. Namaste. Subscribe to take more meditations.